Are you ready to ditch your stress and the painkillers? Imagine working just 2 hours a day, improving your health and starting your dream life. Keep watching to find out how. Not only can you start your own online business and make money online, you can improve your health and throw away all the painkillers. For those who doesn't know me yet, hi, I'm Mia. I'm a 50+ grandma from Sweden. And my mission in life is to help other people, other retirees, to have the possibility to do what I did. I started my online business and now I have the funds to go and work in paradise, and I'm here to help you to be able to do the same thing. Start living your life. Don't just settle of being alive. Chronic stress and pain in your body is harmful for both your happiness and your life. A chance to work in a relaxed tropical environment, well, that helps release all the stress. And if you can do this and make financial income at the same time, that's a benefit. I can just go to myself, because when I'm in cold Sweden, I have pain, I feel miserable, and it hurts. But as soon as I go to a tropical island like Bali, for instance, my body is thriving. I jump out of bed in the morning, I can go for long walks, and I can swim in the pool. Wouldn't that be a life for you? When I started my online business, I was a little bit afraid because I'm not tech savvy. I realized with this program, you do not have to be a tech savvy person. So while you're learning and building your business, you are learning new skills and you're earning money at the same time. I simply followed a proven blueprint, step by step by step. And that's how I created recurring income streams while learning, for working just 2 hours a day. Many programs out on the internet are really complicated systems, and that leads to burnouts. You don't have to worry about that when it comes to our program. We teach you how to create an online business that is low tech, it runs on automation, and it's easy to follow. Retirement is all about living the life on your terms. You don't want to stress about money, but you still don't want to work until you're 80, right? Don't wait to start your journey to retirement. Click in the link down below in the description and get your free guide. Now you can start your dream life and begin your journey to better health, more money, stress-free retirement, and go to your paradise island. One of the fantastic things about this program is, even if you have a business of your own, you're never alone. We have a community, and there are, for now, just around 47,000 people inside of the community, and everyone is supporting each other, giving each other tips, tricks, and helping each other on their own journey. You can create easy content as videos or posts, and we teach you all of that inside of the program. Use your tropical surrounding as a backdrop to create content that attracts customers. We all have recurring bills. Why not have recurring income streams? We also teach you how to build an email list so it can work for you 24/7 and make you earnings even while you're asleep. So my friends, retirement is your time to thrive, not just survive. You have a responsibility to actually start living your life, not just being alive. Who doesn't want to have a lifestyle that combines health, wealth, and happiness? So what are you waiting for? Let your online business provide you with the opportunity to travel, to have a better health, and to explore the life you want to live. Your tropical lifestyle is waiting for you. In the description down below there is a link. Click it and grab your free guide. Don't forget to check out the next video on tips on how you can create your business and start living your life the way you want it. Until we meet again, toodaloo.